Hello everyone. I'm going to replace the rear crankshaft seal in this 16 F250 6.7 liter without the special remover and installer tools. I'm going to use a 1/8 inch drill bit, and I'm going to drill on the outside edge of the dust lip on the seal. I'm going to punch through it, then use a mini slide hammer set and slide hammer it out. There's a threaded tip in this set. It'll just screw right into the 1/8 inch hole. Remove it, simple as that. And if there's any metal shavings up there, I'm careful to get those out. And then put a small amount of diesel oil on the inner lip, and this seal will go, the lip will face inward in the engine, and the letters on the seal will face outward. I'll install it on the special white installer tool that will engage with the back of the crankshaft. I'll put a small amount of oil on the outside of the seal also. Stick the installer over the crankshaft and just press the seal onto the crankshaft. And then I'm going to use a small punch, a flat tipped punch, and I'm going to work on the outside of that dust lip and just slowly work it on all the way around. And when this seal is installed, it will bottom out, and it will be in about 630 thousandths from the edge of the aluminum plate on the back of the engine. So yes, you can do these without the special tools, and I think it's actually quicker doing it this way. Alright, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.